C5. Okay, C takes D4.
So you're playing without C.
Yeah, we're playing blindfold. Oh, what up, Kenny? What's up, bro?
That's another level right there. This boy not even looking at the what?
I'm about to just do all this. See how really good you are.
Castle king side?
Yeah.
Queen side?
King side.
He went king's. Oh, he went king side. Okay. Wow. Wait, how did he castle king side? Is this bishop on D3? So let's do bishop takes D3. I swore he didn't move that. That's funny. It's kind of funny. So it's queen on D3, pawn on D4, pawn on D5, pawn on C4, pawn on D6. He's castled. I have a queen on D8, queen on D3 now. So bishop F5 was an error, actually. Okay, so let's go H6 then. It's interesting. F rook E8. If rook takes, take with the rook.
What?
Rook takes rook, and then pre-move rook E8.
That's right. Rook takes rook.
He took with the bishop.
Yeah.
Okay, he took the bishop. Oh, okay.
You want to keep that pre-move?
Nah. C5, so that means D5 is hanging. His queen's on D2, bishop on E1, pawn on D4. He plays C5. Okay, there's a pawn on D4, there's a pawn on D5, C5, and B4.
30 seconds left.
I'm gonna just snatch that boy, huh? Knight takes D5, bro. You got a pawn on C5, B4. I got a pawn on D4, D6. Knight on D5, bishop G7, queen on D7. You have a queen on D2, bishop E1, rook on A1. I have a rook on A8 still. B pawns.
Take and take, and if takes, I take, if takes, take and take, and if takes, I take,
Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. Pawn D3, that should be GG. Oh, okay, trying to be tricky. Look at him with the little trick. I'm gonna take that with the pawn. He tricky. Look at him. He thought I wasn't gonna see that. Rook E1?
Yeah, I mean, your block.
Okay, all right. So let's go. Rook takes E1 check first. After bishop takes B2.
Goodness. I knew that. I didn't know he saw that. I didn't know he
That's
saw
the whole point.
Yeah.
That's it. Resignation.
That's it.
Let's go. Let's go.